Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are around the world. I'm Tom.
And I'm Dom.
And welcome to another Snackcrate unboxing.
So, as you can see by the title, we have Hawaii today.
For those of you that know us, know how much we love Snackcrate, and if you're new around here, Snackcrate is a monthly subscription box, but we just kind of order it whenever we want one, where you can get snacks from all around the world of the country of your choice, or a mystery box of their choice. So without further ado, let's get opening this box. So when you first open it, this is what it looks like on the inside.
So whatever box you do get, it's usually the packet that you're introduced with.
You could just open it up like the...
Please sponsor us.
Get out of here.
Hi, my name is Snackcrate.
So it says this month's crate is from Hawaii, and it just tells you facts like Hawaii grows by nearly 42 acres each year. The result,
it grows?
Yes, from an ongoing eruption.
Oh boy.
So it basically just gives you cool facts in there.
So the cheat sheet, on the front it says mini, so all these snacks are going to be included in our box.
Alright, so without further ado, let's rip away this sticker in here and let's get to it.
Alright, so...
Okay, so peel away that sticker. I'm so excited. I love doing these. I get so excited the more and more we do. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so what are we right now? Four for 5. We've done 5 of these, and on 4 of them, Dom has gagged. You saw in the Russia one, it was so close to not doing it, but she made it all the way to the drink at the end. No spoilers. Go watch that video if you've seen it. Hold on. Stop. Relax.
So, I love being purple!
So this is actually... What?
Tommy's making me do this late at night, so...
It's currently like 11 p.m. This is actually our first American box. This box is from our own country, but it's from Hawaii, which is really far away from us, so there's a lot of different stuff that could be in here. But... you can see they pack it big with snacks here, and this is just the mini box, so you can imagine what the family box of 20 looks like. We should get that.
That's a whole litter.
Maybe we should get the UK one like that.
So, I'm going to go with these potato chips, and it looks like they are made by Lay's, because I see the Frito-Lay logo on the back. I like the design. It's super Hawaiian, and it's Maui-style potato chips, but I don't know what flavor. I think they're just plain.
Yeah, so this is just a Maui-style potato chip. Kettle cooked. Maui-style kettle cooked chips. So they just look like kettle potato chips. Okay, so we got our chips right here. Maui-style kettle cooked chips.
It just tastes like a plain kettle chip. Super. It's just plain.
Good.
The texture is kettle. If you don't know what kettle style, they're more like crunchier. I think they leave them in the oven more, so it's like that.
Those are extra crunchy though. Yeah, I mean, I don't got really much to say on them. I'll give them like a 7 out of 10. Yeah. They're pretty good.
It's a lot of what we're used to.
Yeah. Alright, so let's go on to the next snack. Alright, so my turn. Alright, so what do we have here? Hawaiian Cookies Candy Bead on the front.
Is it Diamond Bakery cookies?
Yes, Diamond Bakery is the brand.
It says, these delicious cookies feature the unique flavors of the Hawaiian Islands adored by many.
Yep, and it says right at the top, right, made in Hawaii.
Ooh!
So I'm excited to rip these. So they just look like an M&M cookie almost. Well, it looks like a cookie with like rainbow sprinkles. Cheers.
Yeah. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like those regal cookies you get from your grandma on Christmas. Again, those are nothing special either.
No, they almost taste like nothing.
They just taste like a plain cookie.
I don't even taste like the sprinkles. Diamond Bakery is Hawaii's largest cracker and cookie manufacturer. Products are baked fresh every day using time-tasted recipes, pristine Hawaiian water, and local ingredients. Yeah, I'm going to give them like a 7 out of 10 again, just because like I would eat them, but they didn't like blow my mind or anything like we had last week. I mean, they were good. I'm not going to say they were bad.
All right, next up.
Go ahead, you're next. What do we got?
Let's try these.
Ooh.
Okay. So it kind of looks like our Sour Punch gummies that that we have here.
It's in a weird bag.
It is. And it looks like it's like from Asia. Powder, which gives the perfect blend of salty and sweet. It's salty.
Salty.
Oh, I thought they would be sour.
Oh boy.
Oh God, they caught it right from the Pacific Ocean.
I'm scared.
Salt.
Yeah, there's like salt grains on the strips. So can you guys see like the salt on here? There's like little salt crystals.
Those are delicious.
Those are good. I actually like them better than our sour ones. Right away you get that sweetness, and there's that little bit of salt. It's not overpowering salt. They kind of take away that overpoweringness of the sour. Wow, I actually like those. I'm going to give those like an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm going to give them 8 or 9.
Alright, and make sure that while we're getting through this box that you guys stick around till the end, because we always do the drink last, and sometimes the drink is like the most fun to do because it's so unique sometimes.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's get to the next snack here. We haven't had anything bad yet. There's always something. I don't think we haven't had a box where there's something bad. Every single box. Even the best one, which was Russia. That drink was a little... The drink,
yeah.
Alright, so let's get this next snack.
We haven't had a perfect box.
We have another weird packaged item. It says made in Hawaii all over it, stamped all over it. It looks like a macaroon or something inside of like a little mini package. Alright, so it's this little... It's beautifully colored.
It is. It looks like a little cake.
What color is this?
It's pink. There's a cream in it. What do you think?
Go ahead. Take a bite. Come on, big bite.
Not a big bite.
Come on, just take a good bite where you get the goop.
It was dry. It's really dry. Where's just cream in the middle? Ew. Me no like. Me no like!
Oh God, Don. There it is.
Seriously move.
Oh my God, guys, I'm not even kidding you. She just wanted to throw up. As I was just saying about nothing being ever a perfect box, there's always something. As soon as I took the bite and tasted it, I didn't want to give a reaction. That's when I looked at you guys before she did. Are you alright? Seriously, are you okay?
Ew.
God, it's still on my breath. God.
You don't like it?
No! That was awful! As soon as I bit it and tasted it, I was like, oh boy.
You're like, this is awful. Here, have some.
Well, here's that
I don't understand what that cream was, though. It's not even a cream. It's like a guck.
Here's what the inside looks like for those of you that don't know. I honestly didn't know there was something in the middle of that. I'm giving that like a 4 out of 10, honestly.
I'm giving it like a 2.
Like if I ate more, I might be alright.
Oh, we're almost already done the snacks.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, this is our last one.
Yeah, it's the 5th one.
Hawaii Pretz Pineapple. Looks like there's sticks.
I have some faith in this one. It looks like a juice box almost.
It did. I thought we got lucky with 2 drinks.
I love the I gotta say, I love the packaging on everything so far.
Me too.
Available only in Hawaii. Pretzels made from real pineapple.
Oh, they're pretzels?
Yeah. Ooh, it comes in another little colorful package.
A package within a package.
It's a package. And it comes as I was expecting it to look like, just a pretzel stick, but pineapple-y?
Yeah, it says it's infused with pineapples.
How's it smell?
Oh, it smells like pineapple.
Oh, it does smell good. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm, that's good. Tastes like fresh pineapple almost. I could go to town on these.
Right.
Like, it makes you almost feel like you're eating healthy. So I'm gonna give those like a solid 8 out of 10, I think.
Yeah, me too.
Maybe 8.5. I might go high for those. Those were really good. So, unfortunately, we're on to the final thing already. Man, this box flew by, didn't it? But we're on to the drink here, and it looks really cool. So, as you guys know, we always do the drink last, and we always get the drink. And I'm actually starting to collect these and keep them. So, this is the Hawaiian Sun Lily Koi Passion. So, it's passion fruit juice drink. Okay, so it's passion fruit. I like the can.
Poop.
Just poop.
It said it's flavors of passion fruit. Have you ever had a passion fruit?
No, but I know the song by Drake. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to take the first sip because I just like knowing before you.
You like to see me throw up.
I'm not going to make anything.
Poop.
Just going to wait till you taste.
It's okay.
Yeah, I was going to say, I actually kind of like it. It's not bad. Did I scare you a little bit?
It smells like poop.
So if anyone... You want to come say hi to the viewers? There she is. Lily, say hi to everybody. She smells the food, so she's coming over for the snacks. But yeah, overall, I'm going to give this drink actually like in 7 or 8. I actually really like it. It just tastes like juice. I thought it was going to be like soda, like carbonated. But it just honestly tastes like juice. What do you think?
I'm giving it a 5.
Really? You didn't like it?
No, I don't like it, and it smelled like poop.
You keep saying that. It's passion poop, or fruit. It's passion fruit. I've never had passion fruit. Is it like an actual fruit?
I think. It's like one of those exotic fruits.
Alright, so that does it for our Snackcrate unboxing video. If you guys are new around here. So like I'm trying to say, Lily wants to say, subscribe to our channel. All your support means the world to us. We finally hit 200 subscribers. It's a big milestone for us, and the next one is 300. We're going 100 at a time. Our analytics say that 97% of viewers are not subscribed. So hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below if you've had any of these snacks. And also, drop a like if you did enjoy this video at any time. And we will see you guys next week.
And if you're new around here, welcome to the fam, guys.
Bye!
See you later!